Hello and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at simplifying like terms. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to look at the fact that here we have our constants and our variables. So our variables are our letters and we're looking for our like terms. Which terms are the same and what can we add together? So in this case we can add 4 plus 5 together and you've got x on its own. So here we're going to have x on its own, so we got x plus, and 4 plus 5 is 9, so it's x plus 9. Now you cannot add x to 9 because they are unlike terms. So your final answer is x plus 9. Now let's go and look at number 2. Now number 2 is 5m minus 5m. So m and m, meaning that they are like terms, but what we notice is if I had to say 5 minus 5, it would give me 0. In the same way, 5m minus 5m would also give me 0. Now we don't write 0m because 0m is 0. Now let's look at the next one. The next one is 5m minus m. Now remember that the coefficient of m in this case would be 1. We don't need to put the 1 there, but for your understanding, it's the same as me saying 5 minus 1. So 5m minus 1m. And what's 5 minus 1? 5 minus 1 is 4. So 5m minus 1m would give me 4m. Okay, now let's go and look at the next one. Okay, the next one, number 4. Negative 4d minus 6d. So this is the same as me saying negative 4 plus negative 6 is the same as me saying minus 4 minus 6. Okay, and so your answer here is going to be minus 10d. Now there's a difference between number 4 and number 5. Now let's look at number 5. Number 5 is negative 4d plus 6d. So here we are going negative 4. Now just think about it this way. Think of your number line. And if we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and here we just add 1 and 2 on. If I'm at negative 4, and I'm adding 6, I'm going to the right. So I'm hopping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces to the right. So I'll end up at 2. So negative 4d plus 6 would give me positive 2d. Okay. Now in the previous one, if you're starting at negative 4 and you're adding a negative, you're going across that way. And that is why your answer would end up being negative 10d. Okay, right, let's go and look at the next one. Okay, number 6. Right, number 6. So the reason why I've given you this particular sum, number 6, is I want you to see that if you have AB, now AB is the same as BA, or I should say BA is the same as AB. So what do I mean? If I have 2, so AB means A times B. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6. So A times B is the same as BA. They are like terms. And what you can do is actually rewrite the expression. You could say 5AB minus 2AB plus, and then write it in alphabetical order, AB, and then that way it would make it easier for you to solve. Okay, so what you need to know is that AB is the same as BA and vice versa. So 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 10 is 13. So 13 AB. Okay, so we've said 5AB minus 2AB would give us 3AB, and 3AB plus 13AB would plus 10AB would give us 13AB. Okay, let's go and look at the next one. Okay, so here I want to express the minus, and for your understanding, what I realize is you must first simplify it. Don't go straight to the answer, because sometimes that's when you make the mistakes. So here you've got 3 minus 3x minus 5x. So minus would give me a plus. So here you're going to have negative 3x plus 5x. Okay, and negative 3x plus 5x would give me positive 2x. Now let's have a look at number 8 alongside. The difference here is that I have a positive 3x minus, and we know here that our minus means plus. So here you've got 3x minus 5x. So this is going to be 3x plus 5x. And 3x plus 5x will give us 8x. Okay, now let's go on and look at another one. Number 9. Okay, number 9, we're looking at our like terms. And I have x squared here and I have x. So x squared and x are not the same. So we're going to look at, and I'm including the terms. I've got x squared plus 5x squared. And then I have negative 6x minus 7x. Okay, so let's have a look. Sometimes you can group them and rewrite them next to one another. But remember that this x squared means 1x squared. So here you're going to have 1x squared plus 5x squared, which would give me 6x squared, and minus 6x minus 7x will give me negative 13x. And we cannot add them together. They are unlike terms. X squared is not the same as x. Okay, let's go on to number 10. Now, looking at number 10, we have x squared, we have x, and we have 5. They are all unlike. You cannot solve this further. So your answer would remain the same. It would be 6x squared minus 7x minus 5. Okay, and what you need to do is like and subscribe and go and watch one of my next videos to follow. Thank you for watching.